Hello everyone, I'm Shannon and welcome to our introduction and inspiration video for the August 2025 Hero Studio release. In this video, I'll cover all subscription options including the card kit, die set, Stampin' Cut, cling, and layering stencils of the month. I'll also go over the whole studio as well as the bonus item for August. Let's now take a closer look at everything that's included in this month's card kit. The August card kit includes the Abraham and Katrina stamp set, the Abraham and Katrina coordinating die set, stamping guides to help you align the stamp layers for the Abraham and Katrina stamp set, the Victorian frame die set, a Pear Blossom Press light 2-pack, 10 sheets of colored cardstock, a 5.5 by 8.5 sheet of holographic rainbow film, and a 5.5 by 8.5 sheet of acetate. First up, we have the Abraham and Katrina stamp set. This is a layering stamp set that creates the portraits of Katrina and Abraham, as well as some pumpkins. There's a spider web as well, additional images and sentiments included in that set. You also have these placement guides included in your kit. These will help you line up the different stamp layers to create those portraits. And lastly, you have the Abraham and Katrina coordinating dies. These will die cut out all of the images as well as the sentiments in that stamp set. Here you can see the portraits stamped out. They're very dimensional, and I chose an untraditional palette for their skin, which gives them a very creepy look. And here's a finished card with the Abraham and Katrina stamp set. You can actually see me create this card in the August card kit video. I also want to highlight some of the additional images included in that stamp set, like the spider web, the bats, and these masks, which work great with the portraits. There's even layered stamps to create these amazing pumpkins. This set is also great for some fun, kind of creative, interactive cards like this wonderful one by Michelle, where you open up the card to reveal these ghost-like versions of the portraits simply by using only one layer of the portrait stamps. And here you can see an amazing card also by Anna. This one's an interactive card where you pull it open to colorize Katrina's portrait. So definitely a fun and unique set and allows for a lot of different creative approaches. Next is the Victorian frame die set. This is a layering die set that creates a very ornate frame to frame your portraits of Abraham and Katrina. I chose to do a little bit of ink blending, which actually heightens the texture that the die creates on the cardstock. Also, this frame looks amazing when combined with different colored cardstocks. And though these frame dies were intended to be used with the portraits, they also look amazing when used all on their own. You also have this wonderful acetate and holographic rainbow film. Use these two products together to create a really cool kind of light up, disappearing mirror kind of effect. Of course, we have to include the lights. We have this wonderful 2 light set from Pear Blossom included in your card kit. Here I have 2 versions of a light up card that it created. You can actually watch the make of this in the August card kit video. But you can see here I combined the acetate, the holographic rainbow film, and the light pack to make this really cool disappearing mirror look. And we also have this incredible card by Michelle using the same technique. Here you can see before it's lit up and then here with the light on. And of course you can use the holographic rainbow film or the light pack in different ways with the other products included in this card kit. There's also a paper pack included. You have a half sheet or 5.5 by 8.5 sheet of 10 different shades of colored cardstock. The colors included in this pack are Raven, Blue Spruce, Waterfall, Mint, Tuscan, Bellini, Coral, Carrot, Terracotta, and Cinnamon. And now that we've finished our overview of the August card kit of the month, let's move on to our next monthly subscription, the die set of the month. Haunted Gallery is this month's die set, and as you can see, this set has 5 different frames. Each frame has a base layer, then a detail layer. There's also several other dies of little images that you can use to fill in these frames, allowing you to create your own hauntingly adorable gallery wall. Next up, we have the Stampin' Cut of the month. This month's Stampin' Cut is You Are Magic. The set includes a 4x6 clear stamp set with a wonderful crystal ball theme. There's also coordinating dies included in this set. The dies cut out not only all the sentiments and images, but also there's a die that cuts out the interior of the crystal ball, allowing you to create wonderful interactive cards like this shaker card here. And our next monthly subscription is the Cling of the Month. This month's Cling is called In the Valley, and this is a wonderful 6x6 red rubber cling that stamps script from the Legend of Sleepy Hollow, which is actually the inspiration of this month's Hero Studio collection. Our next August subscription is the Layering Stencils of the Month. Sunnyside Manor is this month's layering stencil set. This layering stencil set has 4 stencils. Each stencil has 4 registration marks, making it very easy to line up the following layers. This set creates a wonderful kind of spooky, almost wallpaper-like pattern that works wonderful with the Abraham and Katrina stamp set, as well as the Haunted Gallery dies, which is the August die set of the month. Now let's finish with our final subscription option, the Whole Studio. The Whole Studio includes all 5 of the previous subscription options, including the August Hero Studio Card Kit of the Month, the August Die Set of the Month, Haunted Gallery, the August Stampin' Cut of the Month, You Are Magic, the August Cling of the Month, In the Valley, and the August Layering Stencil of the Month, Sunnyside Manor. And last but not least, the bonus item of this month is the Magic Mist Stencil. Use the Magic Mist stencil to add some vaporous or ghostly accents to your projects. This works really well with the You Are Magic Stampin' Cut. Use it to create that misty or ghostly look inside of your crystal ball, and also use it to add some accents to the background as well. You can even use the set, like I mentioned before, all on its own. It works beautiful for just creating some backgrounds, but of course really shines when you pair it with the You Are Magic Stampin' Cut. And that completes our closer look at the August Hero Studio release. Be sure to check out our blog hop today celebrating this incredible release packed with even more inspiration from our creative team and special guests. You can find that inspiration as well as pick up your August Hero Studio release products at heroarts.com. Thank you so much for spending time with us today.